Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to get Google account security code or how to get Google security verification code in your mobile. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open your Gmail application. Like that, I open my Gmail application. Okay, now what should you do? You just need to click on the top right corner your profile icon. Then you need to select manage your Google account. Now what should you do? You just go on right side, there have a option security. Select security. After select security, then what should you do? You just need to scroll down and there have a option, you can see security code. There you can see this is security code. Just open it. Now you need to type your password or fingerprint. Okay, now you can see this is your security code. First code and second code, code 1 and code 2. You can use any code you can use. So guys, in this way you can get Google account security code or security verification code. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.